friends! We're here today at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, where the wedding and portrait photographers of the Philippines are having an event. And it's just perfect timing because we've been looking for a camera to shoot our business products, our affiliate finds, and of course to capture moments from both our short and long trips. After some searching and lots of YouTube reviews, we finally decided to go with this little beast, the Insta360 Go Ultra. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. We actually got the creator bundle, which cost around 27,990 pesos. Inside, you'll find the standalone camera, the action pod, the quick release safety cord, here's the magnet pendant, the USB cord, the lens guard is already attached on the camera, magnetic is the clip, the quick release mount, here's also the 2-in-1 tripod, pivot stand. All boxes comes with their guide and the warranty card. So these are all the inclusion of the creator bundle package. Now if you go for the standard bundle, which is a little cheaper at 24,090 pesos, here's what you'll get. One important thing to note, the camera doesn't come with a micro SD card, so we purchased one separately. We went for a 512 card, which was priced at over 3,000 pesos, but luckily we got a nice discount and saved a few hundred pesos on it. Definitely worth it for the extra storage. So we won't be showing side-by-side comparison shots versus other action cameras because, well, our budget only stretched for one camera. So if you were expecting a battle of cameras, sorry guys, YouTube reviews had to do the job for us. So these are the few shots we took using our Insta360 Go Ultra. We are really amazed with how clear and stable the videos turned out. Before, our videos were shaky, blurry, and wobbly, but now they look so much smoother and easier to watch. So here's what we love about this so far. It's super tiny and lightweight. It literally fits in your pocket or even hangs on your shirt with a magnetic pendant. The magnetic accessories let us stick it almost anywhere for creative angles. The video quality, it's very impressive. Crisp, vibrant colors, and even in low light. It performs way better than we expected. Stabilization is so smooth. Even with movement, the shots look steady and professional. Lots of creative modes like 4K 60, slow motion, time-lapse, perfect for product shots and travel memories. The action pod flip screen is a lifesaver for framing, especially for vlogs or selfies. And honestly, the app is beginner-friendly. Quick AI edits make it easy to turn raw footage into something post-ready. We also tested it at night. Here's a quick clip we took inside the car. Even in low light, the quality is very impressive. So far, we're really happy with this investment. The Insta360 Go Ultra gives us the freedom to shoot our products, create affiliate content, and bring back awesome memories from our trips, all in one tiny package. So if you're looking for a compact but powerful camera for business, travel, or just everyday moments, this one's worth checking out. We'd also like to thank the staff at Henry's for assisting us. They were very accommodating and really made the whole buying process very smooth. So we hope you enjoyed our simple review of this product. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more product reviews and travel adventures. See you on our next one!